Hey guys, my name is Yolanda Monique. I am here to do my unboxing for my BoxyCharm Luxe box. This is the look that I got from the Luxe box. For those of you who want to know what the product number is or what I got, that is the code, so you'll know which box I got. My box came really late. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing that I want to pull out is the non-makeup related products. This one is the Butte White Teeth Whitening System. So here it is right here. This was one of my choices. I don't remember what all the choices were, but this is the one I remember choosing because I was like, I could use to whiten my teeth a little bit. So to give you more information about this OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens a smile within 15 minutes. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Butte's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status. MSRP for this is $89. So this is more than makes up for the price of the box. So that's really interesting. Let me turn it to the side so you can see it. So it does come with a pin, and it has a little teeth cap right in the middle, and then the light, and it looks like you can plug it up to its ISB ports to either plug it up to your phone or something else. I'll definitely have to read up on it. Again, I chose this, so I'm okay with it. I liked it. The other non-beauty related is, the first one is Good Genes. Everyone got this. This is more skincare. I love this. I actually purchased 3 or 4 more items of this inside of my, what is it, pop-up. So yeah, can't complain. I'm using it now for my skincare, for my morning routine. Everyone got this. This was a golden choice. And in case you're wondering, Sunny Rally Good Genes Lactic Acid is a multitask targeted lactic acid treatment. Rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural skin youth radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high potency formula exfoliates dull, pore clogs, dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smooth, clean skin. With skin brightening licorice, this super concentrated treatment also visibly reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to sun for naturally bright, even skin. And this is $85. So already you've gotten two high-end $80 products. So yeah, I was really happy with that. And then the last of the non-beauty beauty products or skincare products, this one is called Temple Rub. I'm not sure about this one. This is the only one in the product I'm like, at first appearance. And let me pull this up. So basically it's some kind of, it definitely smells, I think that's peppermint I smell, but you see it has a little gold ball, and then you just rub it on the skin. It's supposed to rub it on the temples to, since it's called Temple Rub, to, I'm assuming, to relieve. It says calming, 100% natural. Let me see what this specifically is about. What's more relaxing than lavender? This Temple Rub, of course. The super blended oils can help assist in relieving headache, stress, and anxiety. MSRP is $24. That does not smell like lavender. It may have some lavender, but it definitely smells like there's something else in it. This is the only one I'm like, $24. I could have gotten other lifestyle products that I would have been more enthusiastic about, but I'll give it a try. Lately I've been getting some migraines. I get sinus pressure migraines, so I'll definitely give it a try to see if this works. It was made in the USA, so I'm loving that. It's all organic, it's natural. So instead of me popping a Tylenol or ibuprofen, I'll try this and see. So again, that's $24. And then the rest of the items in here are beauty makeup related. I did not use these in the looks because I have other things that I haven't washed them yet, but I'm excited to have them. So this is the Hip Dot sponges, and they are pink, and it's a duo set. I like the fact that it came in a little bag. So you get a big one, and then you get a little mini one. I use these for my concealer under my eye, applying the powder underneath my eye, and you'll see me use a similar set to this for doing the concealer and everything underneath my eye. But this is Hip Dot Color Changing Sponge Duo. Enjoy an amazing color changing sponge. Watch as it expands to twice its size when it's wet. It creates buildable makeup application with minimal product waste. MSRP is $18. So I definitely like this, and I feel like you can never have too many sponges, especially since after a while they start to tear down, so then you can just replace them. The next thing that I want to share with you guys is the Luxe brushes. This looks so freaking Christmassy. I think that this is amazing. I did see a hint about this from BoxyCharm preview, and you can see, look at that. You can't tell me that doesn't sing Christmas. So you get 4, 5, 6, 7 brushes. Everyone talk, yeah, it does smell like paint. So I'm assuming it's the dye, so hopefully it will air out. But that's still cute. You've got 5 face brushes, and 5 eye brushes, and then 4 face brushes. I love Luxie brushes. A lot of their brushes that I get from BoxyCharm are Luxie brushes, and I cannot complain. This is really nice. I definitely will have to wash these. I did not use these in the makeup look because I didn't want to have to take as long to wash them and everything. But I did use Luxie brush products. So let me tell you about this. This is the Luxie Glitter and Gold brush set, offering a complete range of brushes from foundation, contour, highlighting, blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. The fabulous set comes tucked inside of a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. MSRP is $85. So third $85 product. You can't go wrong with Luxie brushes. I love them. Definitely can't wait to clean these brushes and put them to use. Let's get to the products I did use in this makeup look. So first thing I want to share with you guys is the Hip Dot eyeshadow palette. If you like blues, majority blues, you're going to like this palette. And this is the look that I got with. Honestly, I wasn't sure at first because I'm pretty good with trying to figure out colors, but I was like, without trying to grab other shades from other palettes, this one kind of had me stuck for a little bit. I did like the other Hip Dot palette that I received from them. You can see I kind of went ham with this one. And you can see because that's the majority of the looks what I got from, is it Tulum? Love the blues. I feel like blues look really good with dark brown eyes. But let me tell you about this, and then we'll talk about the application. C-Note Press Eyeshadow Palette. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and glimmering golds of C-Note. A homage to the sacred underground pools in Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mixture of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the majestic deep. MSRP is $30. I can tell you that there are a few shades in here that I have in other palettes. Everyone kind of has like this little teal thing going. But this Tatum, which reminds me of another eyeshadow palette, I still like it. And I still think that this is a really great palette. It has colors that you would basically find in other palettes that you've gotten. But overall, I was pretty impressed with the palettes. It took me a while to swatch this before I could figure out the look that I want to do. If you know that you want something that's blue in you and it kind of guides you to the blues, this would be a great palette that guides you there. It does have the always throw in the gold, and it always throws in like a copper or old gold. The other shades you might have to pull from a different palette, but I feel like it's doable. And like I said, I do like the look. It's supposed to be a halo. The end of my halo kind of disappeared a little, but I'm not mad at this palette. I do like it. And then the other palette that came in my Luxe box, I'm not as thrilled with. Referring to the iconic London Face palette. Here's what it looks like. Here is the inside. If you are my shade, which is more like a toffee, possibly a maple, this palette is going to be kind of limited for you because the color payoff for deeper skin is not necessarily there. Everything is shimmery except for this one bronzer, which is right here, but this is my exact skin tone. So it doesn't bronze anything. I couldn't use it as a bronzer. So on this you get 2 blushes. You get a shimmering blush, which to me acts more like a highlighter than a blush. And then you get a matte. I did top this with both, and the matte didn't tone down the shimmers at all. It just looks plain. But you can barely see it on my skin, so that could be why I didn't have the effect that I was hoping. The bronzer, like I said, is my skin tone. Everything else is highlighters. So I'm oily. I don't tend to go around using highlighters unless I'm dressing up or I'm doing a video. For my everyday life, I don't put on highlighters because I'm an oil slick. I don't need to add to it. But let me just tell you about this in case you're curious. Iconic London Blaze Chasing Face Palette is an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvet powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting, bronzing to add natural look, warmth, and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow. And highlighter shades for a flattering candlelit radiance. MSRP is $55. And then last but not least is the Kat Von D liner tattoo. I actually picked this as my second choice. I didn't use it because I'm using another eyeliner, and I actually have 2 of these in the wing. I actually like her product. So this is the KVD Vegan Beauty Dagger Tattoo Liner. Experience effortless wing line looks with an innovative eyeliner specially engineered for easy application on any eye, making Dagger Tattoo Liner ideal for all makeup junkies. MSRP is $21. It has like a brush light point, so it actually is shaped kind of like a chisel tool, which is okay with me, so that you can get that straight line look. I did not use this. I used another eyeliner that is a gel liner that I'm trying to use up, but I have used her liner before and I'm okay with it. I really like it. Like I said, this was my choice. So the total cost for everything in my Luxe box was $407. The box only cost me $50 and I received $407 worth of products. Thank you again for watching my video. I would love to hear what you think about my box, and I will check you guys out on the next video. Bye.